Hello students, I'm trying to make this video to help you understand how to submit a Google Docs Cloud assignment because a few of you were struggling with it. So once you go to Canvas and you go into modules and you click on whatever assignment we're working on, I'm using the mid-unit assessment as my example, you have two options. You can scroll down and you can type your answers directly here. So I'm reading, and then I'm going to type my answer in here. Okay, and then I could complete that whole test right here on this Canvas page, and then I could click submit from here. So that's option 1. Or 2, if you want a bigger page with more space, you can click on the blue link and it will open the same document in a new page where same thing, you can scroll down and you see your answers got saved. I can keep going. I'm going to work on annotation 2. Okay, this is my answer for annotation 2. Annotation 3. And then I'm going to highlight this section for my answer. Okay, woohoo, I'm done with the test. Now, you'll notice though, if you opened it in a new tab, there's no submit button here. Please do not click share because I don't want to have to look back through my email to grade your assignments. It is hard for me to find them and I don't want to miss your work. So what you need to do is you need to click back to the Canvas page that you were originally on. And so now that we're back on Canvas, you should see if you scroll down and look through this assignment, look, it automatically added all the answers that I had put on the other page because it's connected, it's a Google Doc. So whatever I changed on the other page, it updated here. So now I should just be able to click submit on this page, and that's how you submit it. If this isn't working for you, you might need to refresh your page up at the top. Then it should still load through. You should still have your answers there, and you can still click submit. Now, if that's not working, pretty much the only thing you can do, which might be kind of annoying, but would be to copy and paste your answers from over here onto that other page. But you can't submit from this page. You can only submit from the Canvas page itself. So now that I'm done, I'm going to click submit. Now that I've clicked submit, I should be able to have one more attempt if I need it, because if I have 2 attempts, oh, here, let me refresh. There, when I refresh, you see, if I gave you 2 attempts to submit it, I took up 1 of them. And now that I've submitted that first document, what it gives me now is blank. It's now giving me a blank document because I submitted that first one, and this is a brand new, fresh one in case you need to submit it again. Hope this helps.